Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Irina and I am studying 8th standard Race Concept School. I first had got the invitation for this seminar through like a type of coupon they had gave. I'm sure Race Concept students know about it. And I attended this seminar thinking that maybe it's not that special, but because I've never ever taken a tuition or something else in my life. And when I had seen the way that he had taught the sports students, like in 10 minutes, how they had memorized all those words, I was truly inspired. Like if that can happen, imagine if I attend this workshop and all of you who are here, if you all attend this workshop, how many wonders you can achieve and how smart and good you can become. And truly, the way he taught things was inspiring and cherishable, and it was amazing to see. And I have to say, he is truly has granted us a very nice moment and a very nice opportunity to learn and improve our goals and succeed in life. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and the future of India. Who is the future of India? Yes. And I thank Prashant sir for coming all the way. I will just speak for 2 minutes. Everybody, please have patience to the person he is trying to convey something. Just 2 minutes. I know all of you are hungry. I won't take much time. But it is very important to thank sir on behalf of everybody. Hello, I will make you speak here. Just be silent for 2 minutes. It is very important for us to thank sir because he has come all the way long from there. And it is very, very nice of him that he has chosen Raichur, where many such things do not happen. And you all have taken the interest to come here itself shows that you want to be something in life. Teaching is indeed a very noble profession. And he is taking so much effort, so give him a big round of applause. See, only my one personal experience. My daughter is very intelligent, I know that. But she is very, very much distracted by mobile. And this is the first time that she said that if even her father doesn't come, he was busy with some work on Sunday, let's both of us go. That interest in the class, what she showed was for the first time. And after the seminar, every day, there is a change. And I'm sure that many of the students who have spoken here have spoken for the first time. Can you raise the hand who have spoken for the first time today? This is the inspiration that we have got. Thank you so much, sir. The effort for this show is amazing. This is true inspiration. And see, hello, listen. One thing I will tell you, he has given you the Bhagavad Gita, but you need to practice. Okay? So whatever techniques you have known, you have to practice. If you don't practice, you will never be successful. You have to practice. You have to put it into your day-to-day implementation. All of you who have joined here actually wanted a shortcut to success. But do remember, there is no shortcut to success. Sir told about, what did sir say? Smart work. Smart work is nothing but systematic implementation of hard work. You cannot substitute hard work. There is no shortcut to success. Intelligence without hard work is a failure. Do remember, and all the best for all the children. May God bless you and do well in your studies. Now we'll take a moment to felicitate sir. I request some of the parents and some students to come on the stage because everybody we can't come here. So few of them please come on the stage.
Hello, good evening everybody. My name is Sheikh Irshad. I am chartered accountant by profession, living in Goa. I am in practice from last 25 years. So when this workshop started, so I enrolled my son. I thought it will benefit him. Then I told my wife, you join this workshop because you teach him. And from inside I felt I also should join this workshop to make a new beginning. So after sitting here for 5 days, I felt that I have lost quite a lot of time in improving and developing myself. And definitely with these techniques, I think it will add more success to me in my profession. Thank you so much.
Good evening, friends. The flyer that Sir Prashant sent came home and my daughter showed it to me. Personally, she didn't take much interest. She was way too young for it. But I got excited. I said, okay, since I am aging exponentially at home, forgetting a lot of things, I can go and improve. And I brought her along, though she was not qualified to come. But I have gathered in these 5 days, all the techniques that he has taught us would not only help all of you young children seated, us parents of course have greatly benefited. It also helps me at work when I have to remember a lot of things when we discuss things with patients. And going back to my big textbooks, which I, like other people have said, I have lost out on 20 years of trying to remember things about the body and to get that into my head. If he was only there, then my life would have been far easier. You're all very lucky to get him when you're all so young. Please use these techniques. It will help you all in your exams. Thank you.
My name is Khushi. I am from St. Mary's Girls High School and I will talk in English but I don't know Kannada. I am from Maharashtra. So I don't know Kannada. I like sir, this all things you said. It is very useful in my life and all of our life. From childhood to death. Till everyone it is useful. Sir, you give many opinions for us. We will not forget this moment. These moments are best 5 days in my life. You said nothing is impossible. Everything we can do and it is true. No one will support you when you want that. No one will support you when you want that, but when you achieve that, all will say you did that. What you want.
My name is Harini. I'm a housewife and I have 2 kids. One is 9 and second one is in 2nd standard. So I came here just to know where they are studying. Main thing, because as a parent you say, ask the kids to learn, but they don't. Ourselves we don't know what the problem they have. So in order to sort out the problems, I came here. Main thing is to find out what problem they are having in studying. So now I understand the problems. Now I can help them to overcome all the things.
Next.
Hello everyone, I'm Nitya from 7th grade and I'm studying in Manasivavara Pushkarni Vidyashrama. So I saw the paper, my mother saw the paper ad on Friday and that day itself I finished my science test and I was like relieved and I was like so tired, so I wanted to take the rest the whole day. And she told that we have to attend this session so that you can study more. So I was like, oh my god, today also they're not letting me free. So I was asking them, Nan nijwaglu barlebeka? They told, then what will you do? Come. Okay, then I came, then it was interesting. Then I thought I will join it. After joining, I thought, if that day I didn't take this decision, my parents didn't take this decision, I was never gonna know all these tricks to success in life. So I really learned a lot from this session, and I thank you Prashant sir for your all of these tips. Thank you.
Very good evening. I'm Tanushree, studying in TVS in grade 9. Actually, I was used to being the topper from the class from grade 1, as my parents forced me to, but in grade 6, when the COVID-19 hit, I was distracted as usual as all the students, and I was like a just pass student. And later I was just like used to the success, and when I got less grades, I cried like every day. It affected me a lot, and that's when I felt what I'm doing is not for others' expectations. It's for myself, for my own success. And this year I actually changed my school. I found great difficulty to cope up with the new syllabus. My mom insisted me to attend this workshop which a friend of mine shared with me. I was like, okay, let's give it a try. I came here, I attended the first day seminar, and then I liked it. It was unique, and it didn't happen always in Tumkur. These 5 days, it actually helped me. I got an idea how I can actually cope up with the new school, the confidence, the fear I had for the grade 9 and 10, the board exams, and the competitive exams. I think it was all like gone away. It was 5 days of workshops. So I would like to thank sir. And everyone.
My name is Arshika Sharma from grade 9 and I'm studying in KNC Innovative Global School, and I'm really thankful to Prashant sir to conduct this session. Because of this I can get a new rank in my school, I think so, because of his new and interesting techniques. It was really helpful for me. I asked him many doubts and he cleared it too nicely that I can understand it. I was really weak in chemistry, but I think so now I can do it well and take good marks in chemistry and other subjects. So I really thank you for this session.